So this rocket is 20 or 30 something years old.
Oh my gosh.
I launched it for the first time, and I was so nervous I forgot to tie the nose cone on and lost it.
You lost the
nose cone. Never flew it again, and then the other week I was like, hey, I could print a new one.
So Estes or something.
Estes. Yeah.
So it's a 30-year-old design, but you 3D printed it recently?
Just the nose cone.
Oh, I see.
I got the base back, but I never found the nose cone. I always wanted to launch it again because it's a funky nose cone.
Oh, he got it.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, nice.
A83.
Nice and straight.
Oh, I can catch this one.
Perfect. So one hand.